Hi, I'm Anthony with Solar Tax Pros, and in this video, I'm going to share the difference between using a 30% tax credit versus adding in additional solar incentives with our Solar Tax Max plan. We're going to share a real live case study example of a before and after illustration. So let's get started. I'd like to begin by discussing what the Solar Tax Max plan is and how it works. We are a team of tax attorneys and CPAs, and we've done extensive research in the IRS tax code to maximize the solar incentives. Now, what we've uncovered is that there are two sets of rules in the tax code. There are the basic rules that offer a 30% tax credit, and there are the advanced rules that offer a 30% tax credit plus a tax deduction which homeowners can use to deduct the cost of their solar system from their gross income taxes to create additional solar savings. That can create more money back in their pocket to lower the cost of solar. So with that being said, let's go into the next portion of our case study and show a before and after illustration to see the difference between the two. So here we have Tom Jones in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And we're gonna offer him 19 solar panels with the Enphase IQ7 inverter, and that's gonna get him an 8.3 kilowatt system. We're gonna offset nearly 100% of his electric bill, and he's currently at a $150 electric bill. Now, in order to get his solar payment to $123 with a $28 connection fee, which totals $151, we need to price this system at $2.30 a watt, which is very low. Now also keep in mind, this is with a 25-year 4.99 interest loan. This homeowner can't afford to put in Solar Insure or other upgraded solar components. The price is just too high with the interest rates that have gone through the roof. Now, if we were to take this exact same solar system and price it at $3 a watt, we can see here that the final solar system cost is $37,333. If we go to solartaxpros.com, we can use our Solar Tax Max calculator. And this particular homeowner earned $100,000. He was single. We put in the total solar system cost, and we can see here the output of the calculator. He's going to get a 30% tax credit, which is $11,200, but he's also going to receive additional solar incentives of $6,981 for total solar incentives of $18,181. 49% of the solar system will be returned back to him in the form of income tax incentives. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this $6,981, I'm going to go into my solar software, and right now I'm using Solo, but you can use any solar software you want, and you can go to the incentives button and you can override the incentives button. Now what we did with Solo is we requested an additional button, and we called it the Solar Tax Max plan, and here I override the value here with $6,981. Now that gives us an additional toggle button here that we can turn on and off, and as we can see, if the homeowner were to take the full incentives and put it back into the loan, their solar payment would be just $116 plus the $28 connection fee. They'd be at $144. So as you can see, this is below a bill swap with the price per watt of $3 a watt versus where we were before, a higher price at $2.30, the way solar is traditionally done with just the 30% tax credit. So there you have it. The next thing you need to do is go to our website and register for the Solar Tax Max certification course. That's going to tell you all the rules and everything you need to know to get on our platform and begin submitting solar deals to us. We look forward to working with you to lower the cost of solar so you can increase the additional adders that the homeowner can qualify for and start winning more sales with the Solar Tax Max plan.